Welcome to MBBS Council. If you are looking for deemed university medical colleges for admission, then this video is for you. We will talk about few deemed university admission counseling tips and tricks. Install MBBS Council Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and analyze medical colleges for your NEET rank. During 2019, there were 5,865 management quota MBBS seats in deemed university medical colleges. It was 6,671 during 2020 and 7,350 during 2021 as per the latest merit list released by MCC. This year, many deemed university medical colleges opted for more management quota seats instead of NRI seats. This is because MCC announced that unfilled NRI quota seats will be converted to management quota seats after second round counselling, and they will be filled through government counselling itself. In total, more than 700 additional MBBS seats are available compared to last year's seat matrix. Let's see what happened during last year allotment for Kasturba Medical College, Manipal, which is the most preferred deemed university medical college. There were 203 management quota seats during round 1. The closing NEET score during round 1 allotment was 575. During round 2, there were 56 vacant management quota seats and the closing NEET score was 572, slightly lesser than round 1 cutoff. For most of the states, state closing score would be much less than the All India quota closing score. Many candidates who secure borderline marks apply for both deemed university counselling as well as their state quota. When they get government college through state quota, they vacate their All India counselling round 1 allotted seat by MCC. Because of this movement of candidates between All India quota first round and state quota first round, there will be many seats vacant in All India counselling after round 1. During round 3, there were 16 vacant management quota seats and the closing NEET score shooted up to 583. This is because parents try in government colleges till round 2, and after that, everyone eyes on deemed university colleges, which pushes the cutoff for good deemed university medical colleges in mop-up round. Do you know that for more than half the deemed university colleges, closing score cutoff in mop-up round increased by more than 20 marks compared to the first round cutoff? The reason for this is that more than 25 deemed universities have more than 1,000 beds with high inflow of patients and more than 15 PG courses. In fact, they are better than 80% of government colleges when it comes to medical education. Government colleges score high only on clinical exposure, and many government colleges have poor passing ratio. You can observe that the closing score increases during mop-up round for good deemed university medical colleges. In fact, this is the case for half of the deemed university medical colleges, which provide both good quality education and clinical experience. So, if you put good deemed university medical college on top of your choice filling list during first round choice filling itself, you have good chance to get them. Let's say candidate with NEET score 580 would have got seat in KMC Manipal if he or she placed that college in the choice filling list of round 1. Many candidates who are keen on preparing for USMLE choose to study in KMC Manipal, leave government colleges and pick this college. Last year, candidate with All India rank 993 took KMC Manipal, leaving AIIMS as well as other top government medical colleges, and joined KMC Manipal because of its quality. Deemed university closing NEET score for all rounds are given here. If your score was above 136, you would have got MBBS seat in any one of the deemed university medical colleges. For stray round counselling, which happens at the deemed university medical college, if you have qualifying score, you have chance to get that. As unfilled NRA quota seats will be converted to management quota seats in mop-up round, we expect anyone who have qualifying score will get MBBS seat in mop-up round counselling during this year medical counselling. Tuition fees for deemed university medical colleges varies between 10 lakhs per year and 26 lakhs per year. You should always keep total budget in mind rather than the tuition fees mentioned in the MCC counselling website. More information about fees on deemed universities is discussed in another video. Click link on the top right corner to watch that video. Another important thing to consider while choosing deemed university is upgradation rules. You need to make sure that you have twice the amount of tuition fees when you plan for upgradation. Many deemed university medical colleges take up to 30 days to refund the tuition fees paid to the college when you resign for upgradation. You should also note that you will not get back the full tuition amount in case of refund. Rupees 10,000 to rupees 75,000 will be deducted before settling the amount. There are some deemed university medical colleges which you should avoid from your choice filling because their average NEET score of the students will be very poor, sometimes below 250. Also, some colleges ask for bank guarantee for the remaining fees. You can also avoid these colleges from your choice filling. This brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance for deemed university counselling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact paid admission helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.